So when it comes to brand registry, a lot of people swear by it and a lot of people actually use it. But in this video, I'm going to go over the potential side effects of brand registry, which are increasing your customer conversion rate, increasing your ranking ability on Amazon, and increasing your brand presence on Amazon, which can allow you to cross promote one product to another product and ultimately build a brand on Amazon that can allow you to exit for multiple 7 figures or more. In this video, we're going to talk about all of it, so let's get right into it. So when it comes to brand registry, we're on Amazon. This is just a random brand, L-Bar Sport, that I found. And I want to show you guys exactly what the brand registry is. So we have the title, the bullet points, the pictures. If we scroll down past the helium 10 data, past the other things, we have the product description. And so once you have access to brand registry, you have the ability to use these big pictures, optimize your health. You have the guy and the girl using the foam roller, sitting on it, showcasing how it's really just rolling out all the knots and all the tightness in their glutes. And so with this, once again, you can take it any way you want to. They have the big picture. Then they have, high density EVA foam roller massage. They have more pictures. They have more text. And behind each of these pictures, you can have alt text, which once again allows you to rank for more words. So you can literally go into Seller Central and put alt text behind the picture. So let's say they wanted to rank for, foam roller again, or some other keywords. Obviously, it would be different keywords. But you have the pictures, which once again help conversion rates for the customer. So they can see the big pictures, they can see your branding, they can see how professional it is. You have the alt text behind the picture, which is once again better for ranking. You have additional text, which once again is better for ranking more keywords. And then at the end, what you can do is you can actually cross promote other products. So they have, this product right here, and this product, and this roller against the wall, or just the body roller that you can use manually. Now, what I see in brand registry, very good. But what they could have done better is that once they have these products, they're showcasing them, but there's nowhere where you can actually click. And what I mean by that, if we come to another brand, which is basically sugar bears, this is like a super delicious gummy bear thing. They sell different vitamins for hair, different vitamins for skin. I've used the melatonin vitamins before, but once again, it's incredible branding. They have really good product pictures, really good lifestyle pictures. And they have brand registry, of course. Now, with the brand registry, they have, once again, what their main image is, what their main selling point is. It's the best for hair, blue sugar bear, supports hair and nails, whatever. They have the biotin, the different vitamin mineral profile of this actual sugar bear. Then they have lifestyle pictures. Then they have more lifestyle pictures. And now at the end, what I mean by this one didn't have clickability. You couldn't click on this foam roller. You couldn't click on this manual massage roller. But here, what they should have done is they showed their product, but now I can actually click on this. If I hover above it, see how the mouse goes from black to the white clicker? You can actually click on it, and once again, now I can go to another product that maybe I'm more interested in, and so I can cross promote off of this one listing. I can showcase, they had, I think, like 5-6 different listings. They had 5 different listings, which are once again more of their products. So for each of these products, they have 5 listings. So you can easily see that your visibility for different products through brand registry can also increase, along with the big product pictures, which are once again good for conversion rate. You have the alt text behind the picture, which is once again good for ranking. You have the actual text, which is once again good for ranking as well. And you have other cross-promoted products. Now, if you have a single product, this isn't the biggest deal in the world because you're not really cross-promoting anything. But if you have multiple products, or if you plan to have multiple products, this is going to be a game changer in terms of getting more views for all your products and getting overall sales. Because once again, I could just quickly add this one to cart right here, just add it to cart wherever it's at. I don't really want to set up recurring, so if I do buy now, I could just add to cart, and then I could either scroll down and then go to maybe I want the sleep vitamins. I click that and then do the same thing. And so it's very easy to rack up your sales and once again cross promote all your different products for that brand. Now, brand registry also offers protection for Amazon sellers. Now, this is very, very important. And actually, me and my business partner, we actually just fought off multiple sellers who were trying to take our intellectual property. I'll explain that in a quick second, but let me just overall explain what this is. So you basically can protect your brand, where basically you have seller support inside of Amazon Seller Central through brand registry, where Amazon will basically allow you to have protection for your property and for your intellectual property. Now, what that means is that if you sell your product, you have a specific logo on that product, your logo is protected. So if anyone takes your logo, tries to use it, then they can't, and Amazon will basically suspend that listing, take that listing down, because once again, you have your logo trademarked, you have your brand trademarked, and you have protections along with it. Now, that can come along with anything that you sell. Let's say you sell like an ebook or something else with your product that explains how to use your product. If someone takes those words word for word, puts them in their ebook or bundles it in a brochure or whatever they do, a hard copy. Let's say you have a virtual one, they have a hard copy, or vice versa. If they take your work and you basically report them to Amazon, Amazon will get their listing suspended. And that is what me and my business partner did. We had multiple Chinese sellers taking our work. It was a product that we both used, we're very knowledgeable about. We wrote a very in-depth book about it. And so someone basically just took our work. And so they were actually our main competitors. And we didn't even know that they took our work until we ordered their product, saw our work word for word printed out. And so with that, once again, we just basically submitted the claim to Amazon. And within a matter of days, Amazon took action and took them down, and our sales increased once again because of that. And so this is very, very essential. If we did not have brand registry, then we wouldn't have those protection rights. And so if we scroll further down, we have protection starts from day one. You can secure your brand, you can improve customer experience, monitor your progress. You also have access to the brand analytics, once again tells you the different sales metrics and sales data that's more in depth than just the regular Seller Essential without the brand registry. And so you can get very good indications on what products are doing well, where you could increase your margins, where you could just have all the best data for that product. And so brand registry allows you to have that. But the main reason why I like it is because once again, you have the brand protection, you have the rankability increasing, you have the big portrait pictures, which are very good for conversion and for visual people on Amazon shopping. And you also have the alt text behind the pictures, once again, help you rank. And once again, you can also cross promote different products from one listing to another, as I just showed you guys. Now, for brand registry, you will need a trademark for your logo, for your brand, so that you have a protection. And once again, it doesn't have to be completely finished. I know the trademark process, it can take upwards of 8 months to even a year in certain cases. But once again, as long as it's pending, Amazon will allow you to apply for the brand registry program and get accepted as long as it's pending, which once again is pending as soon as you submit the trademark. So later you can reply within a couple of days and they will accept you within a week. So you can get brand registry relatively fast, but once again, it's going to cost money, especially to get a trademark lawyer. It's going to cost anywhere from, $500 to $1,000 at the higher ends. But once again, you can get brand registry very, very fast and very, very quick if you have the extra cash flow. Now let's say we fast forward a year down the line, a year or two down the line, and you have multiple products on your brand. You have a brand, you have an established brand. Now, if you look at their hair vitamin sugar bear brand, we can see exactly how much is doing revenue. And it honestly does not take that much in revenue to actually have a multiple 7-figure exit, but you have to set your business up correctly if you want people to actually be able to buy it. But once again, doing that is not extremely hard, but you want to do it from the beginning, and I'll do a separate video on how to set up your Amazon business correctly so that, once again, aggregators who are buying Amazon brands will want to actually buy your brand. Now, me personally, I've never sold a brand yet, but I'm working on it right now, and hopefully in the next year, I will have a sellable asset. For this specific brand, they're doing 2.7 million revenue for this one, 2.1 for this one, and 1 million for this one. This is just one of their SKUs. They have multiple SKUs. They're doing multiple 7 figures in revenue per month. They could easily sell this brand for 50 to 100 million a year, very, very easily, very, very effortlessly. Because if you think about this, they do 3 million. These actually, if you look at these sales, they're all the same. And so they're probably just taking it from this million. So we'll just round up to 4 million for this because these are probably getting some sales, but as you see, these sales are all the same, which isn't the case. Let's just say round up to 4 million times 12, they're doing 48 a year. So they can easily do 50 a year in terms of revenue. Off this one SKU, they have multiple SKUs, so they can easily sell this for a 9-figure exit, 100 million plus. But once again, this probably isn't just, it may have already been sold and may have already been, acquired by these big aggregators, and they are just scaling from there. So it may already be in the hands of someone who's big. But once again, this is on the big scale. If you have a single, even if you have a single SKU, even if you have a single product that does decent revenue, let's say you do 100,000 a year, you can easily sell that for, 200,000 to 300,000. You're trying to sell your brand, the aggregators or whoever's trying to buy it will give you a multiple of what it does in the yearly revenue. Now, more on that in a future video, but for now, make sure that you are using brand registry if you have the extra funds for your business. You don't have to start with brand registry, but I do highly recommend it because it does protect you and does allow you to establish a brand and ultimately cross-promote products from one listing to another to ultimately get more sales. Now, with all that being said, those are the benefits of brand registry. Now, make sure if you are interested in figuring out exactly how to find your very first product that you click on this playlist right here where I go on in-depth details and a step-by-step breakdown on exactly what to do.